Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would do a haul of what I ordered with Campaign 6. Campaign 6 is currently underway with Avon right now. And I ordered, usually I don't place an order back to back, but this time I did. So I had placed the order that I did in my unboxing video, and then a week later I placed this order. Usually I go about 2 weeks, but we needed to get some lotion for Keith's dad. His skin has been very dry, so I ordered some, and it came, quickly. So that was why I did that. And then meanwhile, we had bought him some from the drugstore or from the grocery store, some St. Ives oatmeal. So he's currently using that. But so I can show these, the ones I ordered from him. But I will start off with what I have on my face in this video and also mention, so my hair color is a little bit different than what it normally is. I used the Avon Chi hair color a few days ago. I colored it Monday, I think, and today is Wednesday. We're getting a snowstorm as I speak. And so I ordered the medium red, and I had seen several reps posting the results of coloring their hair, and everybody loved the formula, but they thought some of the colors tended to run a little on the dark side. So I got the medium Auburn, and I really like the formula of it. It left my hair soft. It does not have a bad odor at all. I usually use Garnier, and I think that is pretty decent as far as having an odor, but this is even better than that. There is no bad odor whatsoever. I'm satisfied with the coverage that it gave and everything, but I do think the color is a little bit deeper than, it's not quite as red as I would like it to be. It's more of a brown, but it's not bad. I'm not dissatisfied with it. I don't hate it or anything like that. I don't know if I'll repurchase this one again or not, but I did want to try it so that I could let people know how it was. I really like the formula. I think the formula is stellar. It's formula-wise, I would say it's probably the best at-home hair color I've ever used. My hair is extremely soft afterwards and silky. It didn't dry it out or anything. I might look a little bit fuzzy today. It's really dry in our house. It's cold. Like I said, we're having a snowstorm. Our furnace is running a lot. So I might be, my hair might be kind of fuzzy today because it's so dry in the environment. But I did use my Propoli Thera shampoo, conditioner, and the oil serum today. And I really love those products. So I know I have to do a video on those. But yeah, so if I look a little fuzzy today, it's definitely not anything to do with my hair care. It's because it's, like, our furnace is running right now. I can hear it. So, but anyways, I'll show you what I have on my face, and then we can get started. I did want to pull out, I haven't used these in a while, and I've been using them here and there lately, the Magix wand foundation sticks. So I use those today for my foundation and kind of like my concealer. I use the shades Coconut and Meringue. Coconut is my all over color, and Meringue is the color I use under my eyes and right here. It's okay. It's really not my thing. I don't love the coverage of it, but it's not bad. It's just, like a medium, light to medium coverage product. So, I have my Bed Nye Pretty Pink powder on, and then for my blush today, I have the Heavenly Pink blush, Luminous blush. This is one of my favorites. It made my declutter. Love this blush. Can't go wrong with it. For eyeshadow today, I have on the Eyeshadow Quad in Purple Haze. I hadn't worn that in a while, so I thought I would pull it out. And I really like that one. I used mostly these two shades. In fact, these are the only two I used. Number 3 shade, number 2 shade. Those two are the only ones that I used today for shadow. And then for my liner, I pulled out one that I never reach for because I was like, gotta change it up once in a while. I grabbed the Purple Rain Glimmer Stick. I don't know if this is an let's see, it doesn't seem to be one of the waterproof ones. So I guess it's just in the regular line. I'll swatch it for you. It's a really pretty glimmer stick. I need to use it more. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. I'll swatch it though. It's a really fun pop of color for sure. I really like that. It's really fun. It's really fun. So I have that on my lower lash line, and then I actually put it on my upper lash line too and kind of smudged it into the eyeshadow. So it's a fun one. And then I do have, oh, also, of course, my Transforming Contour Stick as usual. My mascara is not Avon. It's that Laura Mercier sample that I'm working through that I don't really care for. And my brows are a Benefit Brow Power. Yeah, that's what it's called. My lipstick is the Mattitude in Devoted. Love this one. It's such a pretty shade. I was going to wear purple, and then I was like, no, just wear your Devoted. It's so pretty. I love it. I love that shade. It's gorgeous. I do have some highlighter on today, too. I might be super glowy. It's like taking me forever to get to this haul, isn't it? I'm using the highlight shade from the Blushed in Love palette. So, right here. That one. And I finished off the look with my Wet n Wild Cucumber Spray, which I am loving right now. It's like one of my favorite products to use ever. Ooh, just dropped my Magix one, so I'll have to remember to pick that up. So like I said, I placed an Avon order, and I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I got a few things. Keith's dad, I feel like I got a fuzzy or something on my nose. Keith's dad, like I said, his skin was really dry, so the Moisture Therapy jumbo bottles of lotion were on sale. And so I think they were 2 for $23 is what they were. So I got him the Moisture Therapy Calming Relief body lotion, and it's an oatmeal formula. So these come with a pump, just so you know, and this is a liter, 33.8 ounces. That's really good for itching. He's been complaining that his back itches a lot and his legs. So, and then I also got, there's a few spots where his skin is getting kind of scaly. So we picked up the Intensive Moisture Therapy, Intensive Healing and Repair formula. This one is really, really, really moisturizing. If you have super dry skin or almost need like an ointment, this is the one you want. It is heavy duty moisturizing. And then just for the spots that he has that's, you know, dry, like really troublesome particularly. I should have tried the CBD now that I think about it, but I didn't think about that. So I will get that with my next order, I think. This is the Intensive Healing and Repair cream, like the Hydra Boost cream. So I grabbed him one of these too. And actually I have one of these already open that I use for myself, so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. I use it on my arms at nighttime before bed. And it is just a super thick cream. I mean, you can like tip the tub upside down and shake it and it's not going to come out. So yeah, that's how solidly heavy duty that stuff is. Works really nice. I love it for my arms at nighttime. Works really good. Alright, so then for me, I picked up, this is going to seem like so funny because I'm always, in fact, I have another Bath & Body Works haul getting ready to post. I'll probably film it tomorrow or the next day. I picked up a shower gel because the shower gels were $2, and I grabbed one in the Mango Pomegranate just because I love this scent. I love this scent. I don't talk about it that much, but I really, really love this, and it's just one of my favorites. So I was like, $2, I'm definitely going to get it. And then the other stuff I have is still in the bag. I haven't taken it out, so we'll open the bag. And I did bring my steak knife of death so that I could open the products up and do some more swatches for you. I grabbed 2 more of the Flat Velvet lipsticks. Now I am shy only of the Solar Beige from having the complete collection. And I wasn't going to get it, and then I got a message from one of you guys and asking or telling me that you had the Solar Beige and what it kind of looked like. And so now I've decided to get it, and then I'm going to do a swatch video of the entire collection, try on all of them in one video. So I thought that would be kind of fun. So I have one more to get before I can do that. We'll throw this over here. My hair, I swear, like I got a bump back here. I have a cowlick. I've always had it even since I was a little girl, so I always get like a piece back here. I don't know. But I do, I'm so scatterbrained sometimes. Like I go this way and this way and this way. I have trouble focusing. But I really do like this shampoo and conditioner and that hair oil serum. I really think that my hair looks very healthy and overall shiny and good with that Propoli Thera stuff. It's really fantastic. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I picked up 2 of the new Glimmershadows that we have coming out. The shades are... I'll tell you what the shades are. I'll tell you what the shades are. Really, I was going to try to sing a song like, tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I'll tell you the shades, the really, really shades. That's cheesy. All right, Pink Topaz and Diamond Dust. And they also come in a lilac too, but I only got the 2. And then I saw them, we had an Avon meeting on Monday night, and I saw them in person, and they are so pretty. I was like, oh, I should have got the lilac, but that's okay. So this one is the pink, what did I tell you it was? Pink Topaz. It's kind of like a coppery pink. Let's give it a swatch, shall we? So there's what it looks like, and we will swatch it out. Ooh, that's pretty. That kind of sounded dorky, didn't it? Ooh. Alright, so right here, this is the Pink Topaz. It's pretty. I'm definitely going to have to use that. This would go really, really well with that Mood Brown or the Coral Monopop palette. And then the other one is the Diamond Dust. Now they're discontinuing Smoky Quartz, and I was really bummed about that because Smoky Quartz is my favorite out of all of them. But when I saw this one, I realized this isn't that far off from Smoky Quartz. It really isn't, which is strange to me. So this one is the Diamond Dust. Now I thought it would be like a really, really pale silver, but it's actually a little bit deeper, almost like a light gunmetal shade. So that is not too far off from the Smoky Quartz. So once I saw that, I was like not so bummed, you know. So this is what it looks like right there on the applicator. Look at that shine. So that is the Diamond Dust. So these will be available in Campaign 7, which begins next week. That's really pretty. I would love to do a smoky eye. Maybe I'll do that with that Mood Brown palette, and that deepest shade, like a smoky eye, and then use this as a pop on the lid. I think that'd be really good. All right, so then the 2 colors of Flat Velvet lipstick I got were Pink Moment, and the other one is Scarlet Red. So let's see if I can open these and swatch them for you without, I got my steak knife. I should have had Keith open them for me before I started. He wouldn't have minded. He wouldn't have minded. He definitely would rather open them for me than have me stab myself by accident. Yeah, I just thought that would be really fun to do a video of try on all of these at once. So once I get the Solar Beige in, I can do that. Because I wasn't sure if it was like a nude color or, you know, like what the deal was with it. And I got that message and they said it's more of like a light peach coral shade, peachy nude. So I'm going to try that. Alright, so here we have the Pink Moment. I just love these flat velvets so much. I love everything about them. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so here we go. Pink Moment. Very nice. I'm all about these pinks right now. Usually I like my reds, which I do like the reds always, but I don't know, something about pinks this spring. It must be because spring's getting ready to come. I just really wanted to, I'm really wanting pinks. Trying to not, again, stab myself. Let's see if we can get this open. Nope. I just, oh wait, maybe? I think I was peeling like the sticker. Ranger, I don't know if you can hear him barking, he loves to go out in the snow, and the first thing when there's snow on the ground, or if it's snowing, either one, he likes to go and get a mouthful of snow. That's the first thing he does when he walks outside. It's so funny. He's always been like that. He'll just stand there and eat the snow. He's comical. So he likes being outside when it's snowing. Alright, I'm having a little bit of a struggle opening this one. I apologize for that. But you can get a good look at my chi hair color and, and how that's going. Oh, I don't want to stab myself. There we go. Let's see if that's better. So did you guys eat any punchkis or puchkis, however you pronounce it, yesterday? We got some. We went and got groceries yesterday morning because early. We got up at we were at the grocery store by 8 o'clock. Usually, you know, when we go, we're like 10 or 11, but we wanted to get there early because we knew it would get crowded as the day went on because of the snow that we're getting. And they had so many puchkis. They had like just trays and trays and boxes of them. And in the deli or the bakery of our grocery store, they had eliminated all the donuts completely. There was no regular donuts, and it was just puchkis as far as the eye could see. It was a beautiful sight. So we got 3 boxes, but the boxes only have 4 per box. We got blueberry, lemon, and raspberry. And what was so funny is last night one of Keith's dad's friends came over, and he knocked on the door, and he came in to see, you know, Keith's dad and visit with him and stuff like that. But he said his wife was upset with him because she wanted puchkis and he didn't get her any. He brought donuts instead, and she was like, this is not the same. And so we said, oh, we've got some. He goes, can I take her one home? So we gave him, he wanted lemon, so we gave him a lemon one to take home. He's like, boy, you guys saved me from being in the doghouse. It was kind of funny. Anyways, so this is the Scarlet Red shade here. Oh, it's really bright. Really, really bright. It's really, really bright. It's really, really bright. Sorry. This is really pretty. Whoo, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? Dang, that is like some hello lips. I can't wait to try those. That's a pretty summer red. It's very, very nice. So that is the Scarlet Red Flat Velvet. So yep, I'm one away from having the entire collection of those, and then I will do a try-on video once I get them, the other one in. So, but that's what I hauled for campaign 6. Yes, the Belief campaign. Yes, yes, yes. And then also at my Avon meeting last night, or no, it was Monday, not last night, we, they had, there was an array, a display of the new cashmere foundations that are coming out. So I got to see some of those shades. And a lot of them have the same names as the Magix wand. So Coconut, which is the shade I am in the Magix wand, was one of the shades. But when I looked at it, I think it might be a little too deep for me. I don't know. But I have heard other reps saying they're not going to be exactly the same shade. So don't necessarily, what you wear in the Magix wand, don't necessarily think that's what you're going to need in the cashmere. So yeah, and then the Glimmer Kiss lipsticks, I saw those too. And those are a liquid lipstick, but they have sparkle in them, like glitter, and they're very metallic and shiny. I didn't order any of those because I wasn't sure if I still don't know if I want them or not. But I really, really think this is a pretty, that Diamond Dust. That's beautiful. So, all right, you guys. Well, that is it. And I hope you enjoyed my little haul here. And I appreciate it so much. I will put, as usual, a link to my e-store, and the list of all the products that I'm wearing and the ones that I hauled with the product number next to that, so you can find it easily if you are interested in purchasing any of that stuff. So yeah, I guess that's it. I'm gonna let you go. I got another video to film and I'm just watching the snowfall and it's really coming down. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.